In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cells, columns, and rows in Google Sheets with ease. Mastering this skill can really enhance how you manage data, making you more efficient whether you're working on a personal project or managing complex data sets for work. We'll break it down step by step so it's easy to follow, even if you're a beginner. First, let's get started by opening up a Google Sheet. If you're not already there, go ahead and navigate to Google Sheets from your browser. You can choose to use an existing spreadsheet or create a new one, whichever fits your needs best. Now, once you have your sheet open, we're ready to dive into the process of shifting around your data. Let's start with the basics. Moving rows. For this example, we'll be focusing on row 4. First, select the entire row by clicking on the number 4 on the left-hand side of your screen. This highlights the entire row, allowing you to move it as a whole unit. Once selected, place your cursor anywhere on the row, click, and hold down your mouse button. Then, simply drag it down to row 9. As you'll notice, Google Sheets will highlight potential drop locations, making it clear where your row will land once you release the mouse button. Next, let's tackle columns. Begin by selecting column F. You do this by clicking on the letter F at the top of the column. With the column selected, move your cursor to any part of the highlighted area. Click and hold down, and then drag the column to its new position, which, for our example, will be to the left, right into column E. As you perform these steps, keep an eye on the shaded border that Google Sheets displays. It acts as a guide for where the column will drop. Finally, for additional practice, we'll move another column. Select column H by clicking directly on the letter H. Just like before, click and hold down the mouse, then drag it over to column F. Release the mouse button, and the column will perfectly slot into its new place. Remember, moving cells, rows, and columns isn't just about organization. It's also a powerful way to make your data sheet more understandable and visually accessible. As you become more comfortable with these movements, it'll streamline your workflow and save you time in your data management tasks. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in getting you started on this part of Google Sheets. Feel free to explore more features and stay tuned for more tips to maximize your productivity with Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.